If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Wells Fargo account, follow these straightforward steps to manage your subscriptions and payments effectively. Step 1. Review your transactions. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account or mobile app. Navigate to your transaction history to identify any recurring charges that you want to cancel. Step 2. Identify the service. Once you have a list of recurring charges, determine which services or subscriptions are linked to these charges. Make a note of the companies and the amounts being charged. Step 3. Cancel the subscription. Contact the service provider directly to cancel your subscription. This can often be done through their website or customer service. Ensure you receive confirmation of the cancellation. Step 4. Remove payment methods. After cancelling the subscription, go back to your Wells Fargo account. Navigate to the account settings and remove any saved payment methods associated with the cancelled service to prevent future charges. Step 5. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your transaction history for the next few months to ensure that the recurring charges have stopped. If you notice any unauthorized charges, report them to Wells Fargo immediately. By following these steps, you can effectively stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Wells Fargo account. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid unexpected fees.